Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. So guys, in this video I'm not trying to blame anyone. I'm not trying to criticize anyone. Instead, I want us to learn from this clip. I want us to learn something from this clip. So let's just watch it, then we'll discuss it after.
You motherfuckers! Y'all done raised fuel prices up! Fuel prices is up! I just got back into the business and y'all done raised the freaking fuel prices up! Y'all done raised the prices up $5 a gallon for fuel? Are y'all crazy? Are y'all crazy? What is going on? What the fuck is going on? I'm tired of this. I'm tired. I just got back into trucking and y'all done raised the fuel prices so high? Are y'all crazy?
So this lady is an American in America. She is complaining about the cost of living in America, the fuel hike. You see the price, $499, I'm not sure in dollars. So the reason why I said I want us to learn from this video is because of the rumors that are running around it that white South Africans who travel to America, allegedly, they want to return back home, which I'm not sure of that, because some people, they're saying it's a lie. Last night I was watching a video there. This channel was I forgot the name of the channel. This channel was interviewing one of the guys from AfriForum, but it was like he was denying these rumors. So if these rumors are true, we need to learn from this.
This shit don't make no sense. This don't make no fucking sense. I'm pissed. I'm pissed. And I'm going on for all of y'all. It's all of y'all fault.
This lady is blaming those who voted for this government, the government of Trump. The cost of living is getting more expensive by the day, according to some Americans, even though there are those Americans who appreciate the return of Trump, who are grateful that Trump returned, especially when it comes to this issue of illegal immigration. Some Americans are very happy with that Trump is cleaning the country, which some of us are even envious of Americans to have Trump. So people, they will always go this side, other group will go on the other side. That's the human nature.
Dang! Like, y'all see the sign? The sign says $4.99 a gallon! This is what trucking has come to? Shit!
So guys, as I said earlier, that I want us to learn from this video because of all these rumors that are moving around of white South Africans who are planning to come back home because of the cost of living in America. And it's like Trump is no longer fulfilling his promises to them. They are allegedly abandoned somewhere in a place that is not even safe for them, all those things. So the reason why I said we need to learn, you see what is going on in South Africa. The whole continent of Africa is in South Africa. These people are running away from their problems, and the more they run away from their problems is the more their problems are growing back home. Because remember, those countries we are running to, they have their own problems. We've seen Americans, okay, America is a better country. Maybe it's one of those countries that are number one when it comes to their economy, civilization, development, and all this. But there's no need for you to run to that country because they have their own problems. Even though the economy is so right, it's so good and all this. I remember there was a clip warning those South Africans who were planning to run away to say, do you know that if you run away from South Africa as a millionaire, when you get there, you'll be a poor man? Because the cost of living there is very expensive. The learning part I'm speaking about is if you see that your country is having a problem, like here in South Africa, it's not like there's a particular group of people that are terrorized by this government of the ANC. We are all going through the same thing. Like Johan Rupert said in White House, to say it's not the particular group of people that is suffering in South Africa, especially when it comes to these things of being unalived. Mostly Black South Africans are the number one of being unalived. Each and every weekend or every day, Black South Africans are being unalived. And if we continue like this, we will end up being like Zimbabwe, Nigeria, Malawi, all those people who are running from their problems to other countries. And you will not run away forever from your country. You will not end up in other countries. It's not okay for a human being to end up in other countries. Your next generations will not know the roots, the country of their ancestors. It's not okay at all. And as soon as problem starts in that foreign land, the only place that is safe for you is home, no matter how bad your home is. But it's the only place you have to run to. So if these rumors are true, I think the best way is come back home to come and fix your country. We are always telling other foreigners in South Africa that go back home and fix your countries. It's time we tell each other now that you have to come back home to fix your own country. And if we keep on blaming and complaining without finding solutions to our problems, it means we are all going to run away from this country. The only solution is for us to remove those people who are oppressing us. That is the only solution. Running away will not solve our problem. Complaining will not solve our problem. Disliking each other will not solve our problem. Looking at the color of our skin will not solve our problem. We are the Rainbow Nation. We belong to this country. All of us, 4 of us. This is our country, the country of our ancestors. Even though sometimes, like any other family members, sometimes we have our own issues. We quarrel, we fight. Even twins from the same womb, they quarrel and fight. Some of them, they don't even speak to each other. Siblings from same mother, same father, they have their own issues. They are quarreling. Sometimes they make peace. So that's what we need to do as South Africans, whether we are black, white, Indian, colored. We have to try to live like we are in one house. There's nothing we will solve by disliking each other or running away from our country. This is a lesson to all of us. This is a lesson to all of us. It's a lesson even to these foreigners we have here in South Africa, to see that running away from your country will never solve your problem. Instead, it will create more problems for you. Go back home, fix your problems. You cannot run away to other countries. They have their own problems. They need to sort. No country in this world doesn't have problems, especially greater countries like America. They have bigger problems. So you cannot say because you see the economy of America is so great, life there, development and all this, and then you think you can just go and reap what you did not sow. There are problems there. I remember Americans before South African refugees left to America. Americans said this, black and white Americans said this, that these people were giving them only 1 year. They will run away. They will go back to South Africa. It's not even up to 1 year. I'm not sure, but I don't think it's up to 1 year, or maybe it's 1 year already. But already they are running back to home. They are allegedly coming back home. So this is what we have to learn. This is what we need to learn from what is happening to these people. This is what other foreigners in South Africa and other countries have to learn about these things. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Thank you so much. Bye.